Russia is furthering its crackdown on free speech. Yesterday, Russia's Supreme Court branded Memorial an extremist movement after a closed hearing the Memorial says its own lawyer was barred from attending. That matters because it now becomes far more dangerous for ordinary Russians to support the group, donate to it, or even share its materials. For context, Memorial was founded in the late 1980s and is best known for documenting Soviet repression and preserving the memory of Stalin-era victims. It was also one of the 2022 Nobel Peace Prize winners. On the same day, Russian law enforcement raided the Moscow office of Novaya Gazeta, a newsroom known for occasional negative reporting on the Russian state. The raids resulted in the detainment of journalist Oleg Roldugin over alleged misuse of the personal data of a Russian official. Taken together, it was another bleak day for anyone in Russia still trying to do rights work or independent reporting. Meanwhile, in Malaysia, authorities appear to have backtracked on reform promises in connection with the right to assemble and to speak. In Kuala Lumpur, police detained 3 youth activists after they protested at an event attended by anti-corruption chief Azam Baki. For context, the activists allegedly held placards calling for the arrest of Mr Azam for a variety of perceived or actual crimes, and they have not been accused of any violent conduct, suggesting that even a small, peaceful accountability protest can still result in detention in present-day Malaysia. But it's not all bad news on the free speech front. South Africa has released a new protected disclosures bill for public comment, with submissions open until May 14. The proposal is meant to strengthen protections surrounding whistleblowing and other good faith disclosures. The new bill provides confidentiality safeguards, legal support, witness protection access, and penalties for retaliation. Note, however, that South Africa abolished criminal jury trials in 1969, investing additional power in the judiciary. The judiciary itself is officially independent, but the President appoints the Chief Justice and Deputy Chief Justice, and also has a limited role in the removal of judges. Meanwhile, Constitutional Court judges are picked from a shortlist prepared by the Judicial Service Commission, which includes members of Parliament and the Justice Minister. Additionally, the Justice Minister gatekeeps aspects of the judicial budget. Finally, I'll remark that under Section 111 of the Criminal Procedure Act, the National Director of Public Prosecutions is able to move cases to another DPP area, allowing for a substantive level of forum shopping in some cases. Whether the proposed new protections go far enough, in light of these risks, is a matter for ongoing debate. This has been Hero to Zero News. Subscribe to stay up to date with citizen rights and security and privacy stories as they unfold.